go. Walmart clipper challenge. I'm gonna try to stay away from wall because it's kind of cheating. So I'm gonna try to go with something easy. All right, found them.
Just get the cheapest one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the cheapest one.
Yeah. 15 bucks.
Oh, that. I think this can work. Oh no, I'm gonna go with this one. This is more clips. Alright, we settled for this. I don't know how the hell this is gonna work. There wasn't a trimmer at Walmart, so we're going with the beard trimmer for his lineup. Alright, my boy Lucas worked his magic. It's close to being zeroed. It was like right here when I first got it, but he zeroed it. We'll see how this goes. Alright, these clips came with right ear taper. Where is it at? Okay. This guard came with some good luck. It got that V, feel me? Oh, this will be a challenge for real. Oh hell no. This shit sounds like it's gonna die. This is crazy, bro. This is gonna be a real challenge for real. These are outliners. Oh my goodness. Alright. We'll make it work. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John B coming back to you guys with a brand new haircut tutorial. Actually, this is like a challenge. If you all haven't heard about it, it's a Walmart clipper challenge. So in this challenge, you only use Walmart clippers. So I got it same day that I'm recording the video. I'm using these Andes. I don't even know what to call it, but I didn't want to get wall clippers because I feel like they were kind of cheating because they were like so easy to use. So I just picked up these Andes clippers, and honestly, they are trash. It really makes you appreciate what you have now. So when I got these, they weren't zero gap. My homeboy actually zero gapped them for me while I was setting up. I couldn't find any good trimmer or decent trimmer because there was one trimmer there that was Andes, but it had like a GTX blade on it, so I didn't want to cheat. So I just settled for a beard trimmer for lining him up and balding it out. Like, it's right here, and trust me, this thing could not turn on. I had to hold it down like with the button, and it was so difficult. And with that being said, the Walmart clipper challenge, I won't be using a balder. I don't have a razor, so it was really challenging. Like, it really makes you think like, damn, you came a long way. But I did honestly have fun. It wasn't that hard blending though. That was the surprising part to me. But it was hard. Like right here, it does look like it's cutting smooth, but in reality, it wasn't. Like opening the package of clippers and seeing like the old clips that it used to come with, like left ear taper, right ear taper. I've never heard of those in so long. And it was just ridiculous, like how far I came since Barber. And when I opened the clipper box, I was like, damn, they got like the cape for it and everything. But I really had fun with this. I spent about 50 bucks altogether just for this challenge, and it was ridiculous. But it's all good. I just gave it to my boy that I'm cutting. So with the steps, I'm going with the same steps that I usually do, blending downwards. So I'm going with the 3 first, close. Oh, actually I went with the 2 first, close. Then I went down to the 1.5. I was surprised that the Andes had 1.5. So I go with it open, then close. Snap on the 1, leave it open and close, and staying below my last portion. Then I'm going with the no clip open and just blend out that bottom. If you guys have any questions about the challenge or anything you guys want to know, just let me know and I got it for you guys. It was a really hard challenge. Like, I could not wait till I get to the lineup, guys. You guys won't believe how different it is. Like, yeah, the cord wasn't long enough on my outliners. Like, it was so hard. Like, it was hard to cut. And I just bought a ring light too, so hopefully that helps out a lot. I feel like it does for these videos. And Yeah, it was really hard. Like when I was when I was blending right here, I kept having to move because the cord wasn't long enough, and I've never had that problem like in the last few years of barbing because we've been so spoiled to get like all the good stuff. Well, going back to the olden days where you could only afford Walmart clippers, it was the same. It was like that back in the day where you would have to use an extension cord just to cut hair. But other than that, I really had a lot of fun doing this challenge because I've wanted to do it for so long. Moving on to his lineup, again, these aren't outliners, these are like trimmers for like a beard, but I made them work. Honestly, it's not that bad. Like, it's not as sharp as like my regular tools, obviously they're from Walmart, but I feel like it came out good. Like if I started barbering and I did this haircut, I would have been pretty satisfied with it. But like I said, it is difficult. Like, you see how much times I have to go over the same spot just to make it look decent. Yeah, it was so difficult. I had like so many like parts that I had to blend in again. Like, it's crazy. But this honestly proves that you do need good tools for a dope haircut. But if you need like an average haircut, you can honestly use any tool. Look at it, like, it's not that bad. Like, if I was barbering back then, I would be like, oh man, these are sharp. You know what I mean? Like, these aren't zero gap at all. Like, I didn't even try to zero gap them because I just did what I had to use. I just put a little product in his hair because that's how he wears his hair. Other than that, thank you guys for watching the video. Let me know down below if there's other challenges you guys want me to do. It's your boy John B, and I'm out.